Hello guys, guess what? Wix is back, and it is back finally. Wix, as we all know, Wix was not free. But today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where you can find Wix for your image generation. We know that Wix normally generates image for us for free. And I'm going to show you where you can find it and generate your image for free. Alright, let's get right into it. Okay, just head over to your browser, either your Chrome or your Google, and then you type in Google Flow AI. That is Google Flow AI. Now follow me step by step. Let's get right into it. After you type in Google Flow AI, this is what it will give you, either Google Gemini or Google Labs. But we are going to choose this one, this Google Flow AI. Create studio for video, image, and custom tools. Now tap on it. So if you are new in Google Flow AI, you have to sign up, and it will show you the sign up interface for you to sign up, and it's very free. Yeah, there is no complicated. These are all the things that I've done in Google Flow AI. All right, when you open Google Flow AI, after you sign up from here, you are going to see this new project here. After you see the new project, you click on it, open it. After you open it, please, you have to change your phone to desktop mode, and you know how to do that. Just click this 3 dotted line here and change it to desktop mode. I already changed mine. All right, then after that, this is your screen, this is your desktop mode in your phone. Then look into this place. You will see an icon here. Then you can zoom it. That is an icon, this one right here. Then click on it. If you click on it, then you will see some building all the tools you can imagine. These all the tools you can imagine. And these tools, they are useful for video and image generation. Alright, you can watch our video on this channel. You will see how you can pack in your image in one places. That's your studio board image. Creating studio board. Yes, and we will teach you from A to Z in that video. So you can click on it and go and watch it. But for the sake of our tutorial, we want to show you Wix. You can see it right here if you come down. Right here, Wix AI. Yes, we know that Wix AI will teach you or will generate image for you for free, unlimited. Yes, let's click on it. If you click on it, you wait for it for a minute, and you see this is right here, Wix. You will see the interface, and for those that already know how to use Wix, it will not be complicated for them. But if you don't know, just follow us through and see how we will generate some images here, so that you can see that it is very free. Yes, it is free. We will generate at least 1 or 2 images in this tutorial. Okay, let's wait for it. So now this is the interface. If you click right here, this place that is saying show image, click it, and then that is the interface of Wix AI. So for you to generate your video, your image, you already know, you can click this icon here, style. If you click it, it will show you where you can upload if you want to animate your image. Let me zoom in. So if you want to animate your image, you can click there and upload your image right here and animate it. But that is not what we want to do now. Let's go back. This is where we want to click. This place here, we want to put in our prompt inside and generate our image. Alright, let's go and copy one of just a random prompt, or here's a prompt for pictures. Let's copy this one. Okay. So you can paste it there that says describe your idea or Wix. You can just paste it there. The prompt, as you can see, is talking about luxurious brown leather sofa in a modern living room. Large window, yes, natural lighting, professional, funny future. So you can just zoom in and click this arrow down here. If you know how to use Wix, yeah, you can just click it. Alright, that's our image. As we already know, Wix normally give us 2 images at once. That is our image. You can just use it and animate. You can see that it is free. Let's step on it so that you can see the image very well. Look at, very clean. Look at the details of our prompts. If you want to go and find the details of our prompts, let's see it here. A luxurious brown leather sofa in a modern living room. Large window, natural lighting, professional furniture, photograph, realistic texture, magazine quality. So let's go back and see. You can see our picture, very clean and all that. Yes. You can, if you want to download it, just tap and you will see download right here. Download image. Yes. That is our picture. Yeah. Let's try and create another one so that you can see that it is unlimited. You can use it to create your images. If you have image to create in your scripts, use it to create plenty images and clean. Right, let's copy this one. This one is talking about a happy African couple cooking together in a modern kitchen, laughing and enjoying each other's company. Warm morning sunlight, cinematic style, close-up shots. Those are camera movement. Let's copy it and then let's go back to our Wix. Okay, then you can still put your prompt inside here as usual. You can still put it there as usual. Yes, you can just put, but before you put the prompt, don't forget Julijetek channel. We teach all kinds of technical skill. We teach graphic design. This is Julijetek channel. Please support us and by liking our channel and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring to you more AI tools. We are committed to find you to make tutorials so that you can learn more and deeper. So we teach all video editing, AI video editing and graphic design. If you check on the description of this video, you will see a WhatsApp number that you can message if you are interested to join our channel, and we will respond to you immediately. Thank you for doing that. All right, let's get back to the business. You can just drop in the prompts here and then click this arrow. It will bring out the image. Now this is a part of the image. It can wait for it to generate. And one part that I like Wix AI is that there is no watermark. Yes, unlike other AI flow, though they are free, but they always come with watermark. But this one, there is no watermark. So you can use it to generate your images, and your image will line up like this. Yes, this is the couple that we are talking about. Tap on it. Okay, that's downloaded. That means if you tap on this screen like this, maybe twice, it will download. Let's see. Do you see? Just tap on it, it will download right to your phone. Yes. But this one you want to check. Now that video has disappeared. But where you can see that, we are inside Flow. That is why the thing is like this. We are inside the Flow AI. That is where we find this Wix AI. So where you can see this, your media, just go right here to this icon. Let me highlight it. This one right here. Tap on it and you will see what you have created. Look at them here. Look at them. They are this natural with everything in the kitchen. Look at their laugh. Very beautiful. All right. Now go back and then you will see other image. So look at other image. Look at them here. This one, and this one. We just created it now. So you can see that the Wix AI is very free. Yes, this is free. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then tell us in the comment section what you feel about this tutorial that we discover and find a Wix for you. Tell us, and your comment section will boost us up to go and search for other AI tools for your benefit. Thank you. Let's meet on our next tutorial. Bye.